Good morning, friends, and happy Sunday. Yesterday morning, I woke up a little, just a little, tiny bit, a little bit hungover. Remember when I said that I went out and got that tequila? Yeah, and I said we were gonna get lit. Well, we kind of did. Well, maybe just me. I don't know. But anyway, I woke up yesterday morning just a little on the hungover side. Not too bad. Around noon, I finally was able to eat something and finally started snapping out of it. But I was just like, so... But we had so much fun Friday night, so that's all that matters, right? And we had just a blast. And think everybody but 2 people showed up. Well, actually 4 that I invited. But 2 of them actually were coming but then canceled because they had emergencies, so which was fine. Anyway, it still turned out really nice, and I was so happy to have London here and her girls. They are absolutely a delight, and I'm so happy that they are part of my life and they're here, and it's just so nice to have them. I absolutely love them and adore them. Today though is Sunday. It's a gloomy, cloudy, yucky day, but it's supposed to be high 55. But I'm about ready to strip the bed, take the sheets off, wash them, and I'm about ready to I'm gonna put them back on the bed because these are like my Christmas sheets. And somebody had said, like, on their Walmart page or the Walmart website, that they said coral, but they don't look coral. I mean, they don't look like pink. They look red to me. So I don't know, but I still enjoy them regardless. I absolutely love them. So I'm gonna strip these. I'm gonna do some laundry today, and Brian and I are leaving Friday for a special trip for our anniversary, because our anniversary is Thursday. 15 years married on Thursday, and we are going to be leaving on Friday for a special weekend trip. I'm so excited. I am so excited to go. I'm just excited to go. That's all I'm gonna say, and I'm not gonna tell you guys where I'm going or where we're going. You guys are just gonna have to follow me on Instagram, which I will leave my Instagram handle down here, and you guys can follow me on Instagram because I will share where we're at Friday once we get there, and got a whole weekend planned. Super fun. But anyway, so for now, I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I actually put a crockpot meal in the crockpot, and I actually got the recipe off of Jessica Braun's Facebook page. I really have been enjoying watching their Vlogmas, and they actually said that they might continue to do, like, maybe a couple of videos a week or whatever, and I'm like, yes please, because I really enjoy watching both of them. She and her husband have a very similar relationship that my husband and I have. Sadly though, my husband does not like to vlog or be on the vlogs, or he's not like her husband, so sadly he doesn't like to do that. But he and I have that same type of relationship that Jessica and her husband have, and I just think that's really nice to have. I think it's just healthy, and it's good for your marriage, and it's good for your relationship. So, but anyway, I just like watching her. So if you guys haven't hopped over, I think she's Jam Beauty 89. I think that's what she is. I'll look it up before I put it down here. But yeah, she's really great. I enjoy watching her. But anyway, so the recipe is like chicken, green beans, well, those are like the French cut green beans, and then I think a can of cream of mushroom and a box of like stuffing mix, and then you just put it all in the crock pot and just let it cook like all day long, and then you take the chicken out and shred it, and it's almost kind of like a crock pot casserole. So I actually added a little bit of chicken broth in there. I could not remember if that's what she did, so I just added just a little bit in there just for like a little bit of moisture. And I'm excited, so like later on when the chicken is cooked, I'll take it out and shred it, and then that's what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. Super excited. It looks so good and yummy on their video, so I'm like, I'm gonna try that, because it's a really quick, simple, like, throw it in the crock pot, let it cook all day, don't have to worry about it, no fuss, no mess. I love that. So yeah, so I'm excited. I'll share that with you guys later on. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my day and get these sheets stripped off. Mickey's gonna be joining me today, and yeah, so let's get started on our day, shall we? Alright guys, so I am currently in my back room, my little makeup area and stuff, where my tree and stuff is at. And I am back here going through all of our travel stuff because we're leaving Friday on a trip. And I wanted to come back here and just make sure that I had everything that we needed for the trip. Like I have my, this is what I carry my Neutrogena makeup wipes in when we travel. And it usually just fits right inside of here, just like so. And then I just can grab it when I need a makeup wipe, but I have to put makeup wipes in here. So that's one thing that is empty that needs to be filled. So I just leave it open like this. This is another thing that has to be refilled. This is just mouthwash. And I think I'm good with this. So I just need to put that back in here. Why is that open? That's kind of scary. I don't know why this is open. Put this back. There we go. And then these are my other little face wipes. And then put that in there, which is good. So that works. Brian asked me to dump some of this in a smaller container for him because he doesn't obviously need to have this large body wash with him. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in a smaller container for him. And then this was my new makeup light that I ordered, and I will leave a link to it in the description box below. This is a new makeup light, which is right there. I've showed you guys this a couple of times already, and it's you put batteries in the back of it, which I need to do before we leave. And it's also got a USB plug, so you can plug it into USB, I guess if your batteries die. I'm not really sure, but I always put batteries in it just in case. But yeah, this is my new makeup light, so for traveling. So I'm going to actually end up taking this one out and tossing it because, actually I'm not going to toss it. I'm going to take it to the Goodwill. But the only problem I have with this is that, and this is what I explained before, and the reason why I got a new one was because the bulbs in it, half of them are burnt out, and when I went to order new bulbs, I couldn't get new bulbs for this thing because the bulbs that I ordered were not the right size. So I was just like so frustrated, and I was like, okay, forget it. And I actually read like on the inside what size bulbs to get and everything, and I just couldn't find the right bulbs. So I'm like, all right, so I'm just totally done with this thing. So, but yeah, so there's like the inside of it, that's what the bulbs and stuff that you need, but I couldn't get the bulbs for some reason. You just can't find those bulbs. And I actually looked on Amazon, and I had some ordered and they were the wrong ones. So like, I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna just take this and drop it off at Goodwill so somebody else can have it. Some young girl or something, a teenager will enjoy having that. But this is gonna be my new one, and I think I was gonna take all of these out of my bag and just put all of my like toiletries and stuff inside of this bag. I don't need to carry this. I'd rather just kind of roll it, even though I take that back. We can actually put this, see, it fits. This fits perfectly on the suitcase here, so I might just keep that out now that I'm thinking about it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so then that means I can put this one away. So I'll probably end up putting that one away. I don't need to use it. But this is just going to be for both of our clothing. And then I got to go through his toiletries. Look, see, I got to fill that Listerine up. And what else? That one is kind of got some in there. I could fill that one up too, though. And then, let's see. He's got his toothbrush, toothpaste. He's got, this is moisturizer. Q-tips, he's good there. He's got some of that, so he's good there. Aspirin. Okay, and I have like, oh, and he's got deodorant in here, which is good. And then, yeah, so basically the only thing that he needs is some of that. This is calming and body balm. Oh, he must have got that from a hotel. All right, so I just need to get an empty container of some sorts to use and fill this up. And then I got to just fill all of these up, and then we'll be good to go. And then I think, let's see, my hair dryer and stuff is in here, and then all of my other toiletries are in here, which is my shampoo and toothpaste and all that good stuff. So that stuff is good to go. This houses my makeup and my makeup brushes, but I think I might eliminate this for this time because it's a little large, and I'm just going to go ahead and go to this. I also got this. on Amazon. I ordered this. I wanted something to kind of match this, and this one kind of does. So this one is probably just going to house my makeup brushes, and the stuff that I use to put my makeup on. It's just really cute little, you know, pouch. I love it. It's got like little places here where you can put your brushes, and then a little mesh pocket in the back. And it's got a lot of room right here for me to put like my palette in and whatever that I need. So I will also link this in the description box below. It's just a really cute like little travel bag, and like I said, I kind of wanted something to match this, and it kind of does. So boom, got that. And yeah, I think that's about it. This is gonna be the first time too that I'm gonna be able to use this, which I'm super excited about. I showed you guys this the other day. I got this while I was at, where'd I get this? Home Goods. Yeah, Home Goods. And this is just for travel. So we could put our jewelry and stuff in it when we're traveling. My necklaces, my rings or whatever, when we take them off at night, when we go to bed or take a shower. This is just a really good place to house them, and then I could just securely put them away. That way I know that they're put away safe. So I'll just put that there for now. And then I need to put batteries in this, and we're pretty much, you know, good to go. Squared away with some of our travel stuff, and yeah, I'm excited. Nice little weekend getaway. Gonna be fun. I just put my sheets in the dryer, so as soon as those are done, I'm gonna put them on the bed. My chicken little thing is looking so good. I cannot wait to eat it because it smells good too. And then I just gotta shred the chicken up, and yeah, so away we go. That drives me crazy, so I'm gonna have to like tuck that in there. And then I have some Christmas gifts here that I have to wrap up. I have stuff over there in that bag right here. That's Christmas stuff that goes to my mom's house whenever I go next time. And yeah, so I'm gonna be packing this week. London and I have a date together on Wednesday the 19th. Yeah, the 19th. She and I are gonna be together. And then Tuesday morning I have to get my nails done. Tomorrow is just gonna be like a cleaning day, which is Monday, and that's about it. So yeah, I'm gonna be packing, get some stuff together for the weekend, and I'm excited to go. I can't wait to share it with you guys. Super excited about going. So before I start making the cookies that I'm going to make in just a second, this is the recipe that I was talking about that I followed from Jam Beauty. And I actually didn't like her recipe. I just watched her video and she was just putting this all together. This is chicken, about 4 to 6 pieces of chicken, and I just shredded it. 2 cans of French green beans, 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, and then just a little bit of like chicken broth, and then a box of the stovetop stuffing mix, and you just put it all in here and let it cook all day long. And Brian and I just had a bowl each of it, and it is really good, and and he liked it. So, and he's a very picky eater, so that was a good thing. But now I'm about ready to make some peanut butter blossom cookies. Absolutely love them, which is funny because I just picked up. So I'm gonna make the peanut butter blossom cookies. I changed my shirt to the Chicago Bears because they're playing right now and we don't get the channel, which makes me so mad. But anyway, so I'm gonna make some peanut butter blossom cookies. I have out my kisses, and I'm getting all my ingredients set out right here, right now. I just pulled a recipe off of the internet, and it's just sugar, flour, baking soda, salt, butter, peanut butter, blah 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 blah, sugar cookies, or peanut butter cookies with the kisses in the center. I love these things, and I've been like, I just want some good cookies, so I'm gonna make these, and yay for Sunday baking. I love baking cookies. So my cookies turned out really nice. I love them. They taste so good too. I just added some like green and red sugar to them just to give them a little bit more Christmassy look. And they're so good. So I'm just really letting them, like, they're still melty. My little kisses are. So I'm just gonna let them sit there and harden, then I'll put them away. And then I wanted to show you guys everything that I got from my little Christmas exchange the other night. This was something that my neighbor actually brought me, like a separate gift. She brought this to me. I love this painting, and she brought this to me. It's just a Starbucks coffee mug. It is super cute, and I absolutely loved it. And then this is what I got for my Christmas exchange. I got this Ray Dunn like cheese spreader, and how perfect is that? It just says fa la 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 la. Love that for the holidays. And then I got 2 of these clinky then drinky, 2 little glasses, which are super cute. And then I got this candle, which smells phenomenal. This is holiday spruce. And then I got these cute little Christmas towels as well. So these are like more like bathroom towels, so I might just put them in our bathroom or in the guest bathroom because they're just super cute. But I absolutely love them. And I think that's going to be it for today. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this vlog. That way I can go ahead and get this up and edited for you guys tomorrow. Oh, and I did want to show you guys one more thing. I did keep a cookie and I'm just letting it harden because I actually just want to keep this. And then somehow I want to kind of put like a, I don't know, a shellac over it so I can keep it, but I want to put the date on the back of it and put like 2018 and that my neighbor Sandy made it. But isn't this the cutest one? So this is the one that I chose to keep. A lot of people ate theirs, but I didn't want to eat mine. But I did have one to eat, but I wanted to save this one. But anyway, so that's it. Thank you guys so much. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.